Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I hope you're enjoying everything and having a great day. Today we're going to do another Epoxy Roach clip. This is going to be number 2 out of the set from the pressure pot. I do have a couple big air bubble pieces right here on the edge, but they should turn out no problem, and we'll have to see how it goes. But here comes the noisemakers. Enjoy.
In the shop, dust clouds and confession. Lathe got a spin, call it wood grain obsession. Epoxy drips, roach clips, stacking like a mission. Glowing green and black, galaxy transmission. Medication roll tight, my mind's ignition. Aliens in flight, cosmic coalition. Like, subscribe, orbit my vibe. Out of this world where the galaxies collide. Like, subscribe, catch the swirl tide. Grumpy's in the shop, let the cosmos ride. Like, subscribe, orbit my vibe. Out of this world where the galaxies collide. Like, subscribe, catch the swirl tide. Grumpy's in the shop, let the cosmos ride. Sawdust, halo, tools in a frenzy. Crafting universes, hands never empty. Swirls hide secrets, black holes aplenty. Every turn's a journey, the lathe stays trendy. Dust therapy's my meditation. Each spin's a new creation. Aliens wink, call it collaboration. Green and black dreams, endless rotation. Like, subscribe, orbit my vibe. Out of this world where the galaxies collide. Like, subscribe, catch the swirl tide. Grumpy's in the shop, let the cosmos ride. Like, subscribe, orbit my vibe. Out of this world where the galaxies collide. Like, subscribe, catch the swirl tide. Grumpy's in the shop, let the cosmos ride. Grumpy in the shop, got the dust clouds rising. Therapy in session, sparks are hypnotizing. Lathe spinning slow like the earth on its axis. Epoxy dripping thick, roach clips to the masses. Green and black swirl, galaxies collide. Hidden in the resin where the secrets hide. Medication roll tight, aliens in flight. Hit subscribe, let the cosmos ignite. Medication roll tight, aliens in flight. Hit subscribe, let the cosmos ignite. Shavings hit the floor like confetti on the grind. Grinding down the chaos, masterpiece defined. Hands steady on the wheels, sweat's the only cost. Molding space and time in the glow of exhaust. Swirls tell a story of stars left behind. Colors clash like comets of beauty unrefined. Roach clips stacking like a tower of dreams. In Grumpy's workshop, nothing's as it seems. Medication roll tight, aliens in flight. Hit subscribe, let the cosmos ignite. Medication roll tight, aliens in flight. Hit subscribe, let the cosmos ignite. Rose tell a story, a star west left her high. Colors clash like comets, a beauty unrefined. Roach clips stacking like a tower of dreams. In Grumpy's workshop, nothing's as it seems. Medication roll tight. Medication roll tight. light. Hit subscribe, let the cosmos ignite. Medication roll tight, aliens in flight. Hit subscribe, let the cosmos reignite.
Grumpy in the lab, tools buzzing like bees. Epoxy in the pot, glowing brighter than keys. Lathe spins wild, chips flying like sparks. Dust therapy, grinding, breathing deep in the dark.
Epoxy dreams, we staying up tonight. Grumpy rolls one, aliens take flight. Spin the clips, let the roaches ignite. Like and subscribe, join the glowing light. Join the glowing light. Join the glowing light.
Fumes rise heavy like ghosts from the grave. Roach clips polish, spin slow on the lathe. Aliens dialing, signals flash in the haze. We crafting galaxies in epoxy's embrace.
Workshop humming, a spaceship in disguise. Sawdust planets, swirl stars in my eyes. Grumpy's mantra echoes, let the resin baptize. Hands stained with creation, time vaporized. Epoxy dreams, we staying up tonight. Grumpy rolls one, aliens take flight.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carving. Whew, thank you for tuning in. It is a hot in the shop today. Gonna see if we can't get this flip top. But it is about 94 degrees in my shop right now. I got one fan in the corner blowing. Another little fan behind me blowing. We got a little air moving around. Not enough. Alright, stretch out the clip. Makes it easier when we go to hooking it on here. Gonna hold everything in place with my finger. Take my tool. Crimp the wood. I hope everybody's doing good today. Staying cool. Don't get too damn hot out there. I mean, it is summertime here, so can't help but to get hot. But stay safe doing it, y'all. Hydrate. Plenty of fluids.
Grumpy in the lab, sawdust in the air. Epoxy roach clips spinning with flare.
And if you're drinking them adult fluids, you still gotta hydrate. That ain't quite gonna cut it.
Glowing bright, the craft ignites. Grumpy rolling one up, take off tonight. Aliens on the way, skies alight. Like and subscribe, now we take flight.
We got the, not the heavy duty. What we got here? The normal.
Workshop buzzing, screws on the roam. Aliens might land, but this the true home. Wood chips flying, precision supreme.
This is the normal
Grumpy
stuff.
got the
This
vision,
is the
a
big
late
stuff.
machine dream. Epoxy glowing bright, craft ignites. Grumpy rolling one up, take off tonight. Aliens on the way, skies alight. Like and subscribe, now we take flight.
Yep, that's the heavy duty. We don't want the heavy duty. 1, 2, 3 pulls.
Planners and sanders, the tools align, shapes
It's
emerge.
sure enough hot out here, ladies and gentlemen.
Lathe spins fast, time don't stop. Grumpy's in the zone, straight to the top. Epoxy glowing bright, the craft
We got that humid heat. I'm supposed to have some thunderstorms this
on
afternoon.
the way, skies alight. Like and subscribe, now we take flight. Now we take flight.
And we just roll down the stick there here to cover that little piece up. I started turning a piece of wood that Mr. Johnny from Johnny's Lathe Craft sent me, and awesome looking piece of wood, but as I started getting it round, I found it was splitting where my dead center was going into it on one end of the lathe. I stopped turning it. I got to figure out a way to seal the split or something. If not, I have to cut it back real short, and I didn't want to have to cut it back, but that might be what I have to do to save it. I got it right here. Took it off. Where's the split at? It's split right here along that green line, almost halfway through. It's about right there, and it's split through on both sides. So yeah, I got to. I don't know if I'll be able to put some super glue in there and let it set and then try again. I don't know how that's gonna hold, but that's an awesome piece of wood, and don't want to waste it. I said I might be able to, if I cut all the split out, I'll have about that much left in there. That'll be about it. But we'll have to see.
Lathe spin secrets, resin traps the past. Each layer a moment frozen to outlast. Aliens whisper, humans built to mold.
Fixing to wrap the puller on there now.
Craft, we're bold.
Remember, don't get that too tight. You want to be able to pull it through. We'll work our way back up the clip. Keeps on the jump.
Grumpy's in the shop, hands slick with the resin. Lathe spinning wild, dust clouds keep blessing. Epoxy Roach clips, kaleidoscope vision. Each turn a mission, precision. This is Epoxy
We're back up at the top. Let's untangle this mess.
Take flight. Dust therapy tonight. Stars blinking inside. Like and subscribe. Grumpy's vibe feels right. Fumes in the air like ghostly confessions. Wood grain and resin, cosmic possessions. Aliens inbound, spaceship obsession. Lathe hums a hymn, tool spark progression. Epoxy glowing bright, alien skies ignite. Rolling one up, we take flight.
That was crazy. The puller wrapped around that little rivet.
Like and subscribe. Grumpy's vibe feels right. Galaxy swirls in a paper thin layer. Crafting the cosmos, no time for a prayer. Alien hands might snatch my creation, but Grumpy just laughs, no hesitation. Epoxy dreams, a lathe born high. Grumpy's world spins under a resin sky. Aliens on the way with no fear, no fright.
Ooh, it is hot out here, y'all. I can't hardly focus on what I'm doing. I mean, I can focus on what I'm doing, but it's just hot. This here, when I get this cut, remember, don't cut this piece here shorter than what your wrap is. That way you hide your tail. No knots. That's twist, that's the goal. No knots, no fuzzies, no strings.
Glowing green and black, galaxy transmission. Medication roll tight, my mind's ignition.
Break out the super glue here. Once I get this thing super glued up, I will show y'all with the UV light.
Subscribe, orbit my vibe. Out of this world where the galaxies collide. Like subscribe, catch the swirl tide. Grumpy's in the shop, let the cosmos.
I've not even glanced at it under the UV yet myself.
Out of this world where the galaxies galaxies collide like subscribe.
No, it's gonna be a good one though. It's got a lot of nice swirl in this one.
Tools in a frenzy, crafting universes, hands never empty. Swirls hide secrets, black holes aplenty. Every turn's a journey, the lathe stays trendy. Dust therapy's my meditation. Each spin's a new creation. Aliens wink, call it collaboration. Green and black dreams, endless rotation. Like, subscribe, orbit my vibe. Out of this world where the galaxies collide. Like, subscribe, catch the swirl tide. Grumpy's in the shop, let the cosmos ride. Like, subscribe, orbit my vibe. Out of this world where the galaxies collide. Like, subscribe, catch the swirl tide. Grumpy's in the shop, let the cosmos ride.
Alright, just let that dry. I'll throw the UV light on there. And remember now, this glow powder is a lot more coarse than my pigment powder, so it looks like it's not mixed up good, but that's just the size of the pigment.
Therapy in session, sparks are hypnotizing. Lathe spinning slow
This
like the
powder.
earth on its axis. Epoxy dripping
Alright, let's flip
clips to the masses. Green and black swirl, galaxies collide. Hidden in the resin
not
where the
completely
secrets
dark
hide.
in here, so we'll have to get with what we can get. But you can see that the swirl and the glow looks pretty good.
Let the cosmos ignite.
Very clear. So I'm using a pressure pot in this one. I like it. That ring's not translucent, but it almost looks translucent because it's clear. You can see up in it. Also, another one done. Alright everybody, thank you. Turn the light back on here.
Medication roll tight, aliens in flight. Hit subscribe, let the cosmos ignite.
Alright, again, this is a, what is this? This is the number 2 off of the pressure pot blanks. So there's no tiny bubbles in it. It's all real clear, so you can see into it, see the swirls, see the translucence. It looks good. It's swirled up real nice. But alright, thank you. Enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to check out my description. I got Spike Williams' fundraiser link in there. I'm trying to get that man in a power chair. We got to get him mobile, y'all. Just spread that link around if you can. That will do so much effort in helping spread the word. So, yep. Alright, y'all. Thank you. Enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Ooh, it's hot.